Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts glitch. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you start having your YouTube Shorts that you are watching to be glitchy and start having some kind of green lines, that will probably be just a problem of the browser. And basically, all we need to do is just to disable the hardware acceleration for your browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome browser. And basically, all we need to do now is just to disable the hardware acceleration. To do so, all we need to do is just to go to the settings. And simply here, we will find this 3 points icon. We go there and then go to settings. By clicking on settings, we will be able to find these uh, system. And from the system, we will be able to find the use graphic acceleration when available. And then you will need just to click on off or check it off. And by that, you will be able to start having your problem that will be fixed. So all you need to do now is just to check it off and click on relaunch so you can retry or restart your browser. And after that, you will be having your problem or the problem that will be fixed. And basically, this depends on your browser. All you need to do is just to go your browser name and add disable, for example, hardware acceleration. And for example, let's just go for Firefox as an example and just type it. And then you will be able to find on how exactly you can disable hardware acceleration in Firefox. And this would be could be applied on any other browser, for example, Opera X, I think, or Firefox, Brave, or any other web browser. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.